Hello XUV 700. You're looking at the door handle of the XUV 700. You really are. Hello first in segment smart door handles. You are going fast. Very fast. Your XUV 700 tells you to slow down. In your loved one's voice, you step off the pedal. Hello personalized safety alerts. A sunroof so large, you might think you're in a convertible. Hello largest in segment sky roof. It's dark. The speedometer crosses 80. Your XUV 700 notices it and switches on extra lights for extra safety. Hello auto booster headlamps. Hello XUV 700.